Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to record FaceTime audio on iPhone. So if you are looking to start a conversation with someone on FaceTime and you want to record as an audio, FaceTime will not allow you to actually record the call, even if you wanted even if you turned on the mic. If you could swipe down to the control center and hold right here, even if you turned on the microphone, you won't be able to record the FaceTime. Nevertheless, you can use a third-party app. You can use a third-party device like another iPhone and start going to the FaceTime, start having conversation with that person. At the same time, you can just go ahead and bring the other phone and start recording the convo, and then that convo will be recorded and saved to another device, and you can send it to your original device via WhatsApp or another app. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.